How's it going, guys? Jacob Rothenberg here. I have been Kindle publishing on Amazon for almost 4 years now, and I'd like to give away to you not one, not two, but 10 keywords that I've been consistently making money from. So I'm going to walk you through the whole process of how I came to find these keywords, how I came to publish them, and how I market them. And here's a hint, I didn't do much marketing at all. So these are going to be a set of keywords I've never told anyone I've ever done. No one knows that I was this pen name all along, and I will prove it. I will prove I do make money from Kindle publishing. So this is not really to flex or all that. I'm just showing you stats. So I did, starting in December of 2018, I did 10 short story children's books. Now, these were not fictional story books and such. These were non-fiction books for kids. Each book was 5,000 words. Super short guide. I think it might have amounted to like 60 pages per book. So to substantiate all that, my author name is Isaiah Maxwell. Now that I'm thinking about it, I shouldn't have used that for a children's book because Isaiah Maxwell is the facetious name of an adult film star legend. If you've ever seen the clip with Riley Reid and him being like the guy getting pizza, he's like, I want some pizza, a piece of that ass. Yeah. But anyway, under this pen name, I came up with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 books that I found keywords for, all under the same theme of hunting and fishing, because technically fishing is hunting for fish. So I came up with these 10 keywords to publish for, and these are the collective sales of all 10 books. So we have the paperback sales. Virtually all sales were paperback. Hardly any of them were ebook. And then the Kindle page reads, which is not anything at all. And then the cumulative, man, I'm messing up words today. I'm too high on coffee. The total sales since December of 2018. And yeah, someone might look at this and say, Jacob, this is almost 2 years. You've barely cleared. You're not even reaching $2,000 on these 10 books. But keep in mind, these are very short books, and I'll do you guys an extra step inside what I do for publishing. At the time, I ordered this from the Urban Writers. I placed this order on November 6th, and I was able to publish by December. And these were very inexpensive books. So each 5,000 word book cost me $125, along with my affiliate discount at the time. And my total expenditure for the writing was $11.82. And then each cover was $5 through Fiverr. So 5 times 10 equals 50. Probably missing out on something else, but let's just say this whole project cost me $1,250. And so far, I've made, looks like around $1,700. So I'm up around 500-ish. But what I'd like to show is that the sales didn't really take off until Q4. It didn't take off Q4 of 2018 because that was the same month I published. But once I had more traction, more sales history, and more reviews, I was able to really hit it in the park. And guess what, guys? I'm still selling these books. Still selling with 0 ads, 0 marketing, no Facebook group. These are just books I literally put out on Amazon, and I just said it, and I forgot about it. I know it's a little bit ironic to hear me say that, but hey, this was just a little project I knew I could make money off of lifetime easily. I did sell some audiobooks for this as well, but I think the sales for that was negligible. Probably did royalty share on those. But let me show you what I did exactly. So we've got 10 hunting books, and I came up with the idea from finding another author that did deer hunting books for kids as well. And this was back when I researched it in 2018, so now that I'm looking here in 2020, I might not find the book that gave me inspiration. But I'll be honest, I basically found a pen name that had 10 keywords related to hunting, and I copied them, but I made sure that my covers were better. I made sure that my content had better topics. So I did take the time to write out at least an outline for the table of contents. I came up with this myself, guys. So I was able to come up with this for the 10 books. I think at the time my VVA at the time helped me out. So I won't say I did it all myself, but we were able to come up with better content, better looking covers. This is brighter and better looking than the competition, what the competition had. And I just put the books out. And like I said, I didn't have an art team. I literally just put the books out. I didn't even do fake reviews. These are all real reviews. This book has good reviews, but showing you guys all the pen name, all the books under this pen name. Bow hunting has 1 review. Duck hunting got pretty hit on hard. Ice fishing not so great. So if anything, guys, this kind of proves you can still make money selling books without reviews. I mean, you're not going to sell as many, but reviews do come organically over time. And once you do get reviews, like this one, the book kind of just sells itself once it shows a good sales history. So hopefully I'm not shooting myself in the foot by giving away my own keywords on this, but it's all good. I like to share stuff. I like to share diseases. So yeah, this was the one, I think. Yeah, so I noticed right away these have different author names, but yeah, it was this series that gave me the inspiration to go ahead with these hunting books. So I found these hunting books. These do sell better than mine, and they still sell. So they've been around for 8 years. But I was able to take a look at these books, and then from there, call out the keywords related to hunting that I thought would do best. So these are selling better than mine, I will admit, and if I took the time to get reviews for my other books, I'm sure I could do a lot better. But that's okay, I'll let this one go, because I don't think there's really much I can improve upon on this. But yeah, I usually don't show receipts, but I got it done from the Urban Writers, guys. Then did my cover through Fiverr, provided the outlines for the table of contents, had it ghostwritten, slapped on a cover, and sold it. So I hope that I will get another surge of sales come December of 2020. And hopefully I can get more sales for years to come, assuming I don't get banned from Amazon, right? So yeah, that's pretty much it. If you guys want to copy my 10 keywords, number 1, you can suck my D. Number 2, here they are. Go ahead if you want, motherfuckers. Go ahead, take them, take them, take them. So yeah, if you guys have any questions with Kindle Publishing, leave a comment below. I will flat out admit, I just copied another pen name, and I came up with my conceptualization of what I thought would be better. Like, my opinion was a better looking cover, better content, and, little stuff like better description, better blah, blah, blah. So just think about possibly getting inspired by a keyword and then coming up with a better product than your competition. You don't have to be original, you just have to be good. So that's all I've got for tonight, guys. If you have any questions, hit me up in the comments. Like, subscribe, and I will see you later. Take care.